Manufacturing has always been complex, but today, the compliance burden on manufacturers has reached a level no siloed team can manage alone. Modern manufacturers must simultaneously satisfy product safety and quality standards, worker health and safety regulations, environmental laws, anti-bribery and corruption requirements, and fair labor mandates, often across dozens of countries and facilities at once. And the rule book keeps expanding. Legislation now extends compliance obligations deep into the supply chain, requiring manufacturers to actively monitor practices all the way down to the raw material level. At the same time, the factory floor itself has become a cybersecurity frontier. Connected equipment and IoT-driven operations have changed the face of manufacturing. 53% of manufacturing executives now rank cybersecurity among their top business risks. And geopolitical volatility can rewrite your compliance obligations almost overnight. Compliance expenses now consume an estimated 11% of operating costs for manufacturers. That's not a line item, that's a strategic burden. Traditional GRC processes weren't designed for this kind of non-stop, multi-domain complexity. Too often, they capture what happened, not help you stay ahead of what's coming. That's where Archer Evolv comes in. Archer Evolv is the GRC solution purpose-built to handle the complexities of risk and compliance management. Archer Evolv monitors regulatory changes across thousands of sources and hundreds of jurisdictions, automatically surfacing what matters to your operations, your regions, and your supply chain. Obligations are centralized and mapped directly to your controls, so a single assessment can satisfy requirements across safety, environmental, and labor frameworks simultaneously. Archer also integrates your compliance activities into a comprehensive strategy for risk management, including operational risk, IT and security, third-party risk, and resilience. These capabilities give you continuous visibility across your operations and your supply chain. The result is a compliance and risk management program that spans your entire value chain, from the factory floor to the boardroom. With Archer Evolv, manufacturers move from reactive, fragmented compliance to a proactive, unified, continuous program that supports operational excellence, not just regulatory checkboxes. Because in manufacturing, the margin for error is razor thin, and so is the margin for compliance gaps.